Just add salt to Coca Cola, and you'll thank me for it. It's incredible. And look, it really is incredible. I added about a tablespoon of salt. Now close the bottle and shake it very well. Pay close attention. This is a great tip. Now let's open the bottle and transfer this Coca Cola to a container. There are approximately 200 milliliters here. This little bottle we're going to use as a measure. Don't throw it away now. We're going to add a tablespoon of salt and we're going to stir it a little. You need to see this tip. I'm sure you haven't seen it on the internet. You'll be surprised at the result. Next, we'll need a detergent of your choice. We'll add about 200 milliliters to the Coca Cola bottle and put it in with the Coca Cola. After discovering this tip, I always do it here at home. I don't buy this product in the markets anymore. Next, we'll add water halfway up the bottle and put it in the container with the Coca Cola and detergent. Just mix it all together very well. I'm sure you'll be impressed with the result of this little mixture now. We'll need an empty detergent bottle, but if you have another type of bottle, you can use that too. And with the help of a funnel, we'll transfer all this mixture. And, incredible as it may seem, it's ready. And look at the situation of that pan. It's very dirty, with grease impregnated in it. Just scrub it very well, and you'll see all the dirt coming out as if by magic. This product is simply wonderful for anyone who doesn't understand what we've just done. It's a wonderful aluminum shine. That's right. Coca-Cola contains a substance that, when it comes into contact with salt and detergent, makes any dirt come off your pan and renews all the shine that has disappeared from that pan. You can use it on all kinds of pans, especially aluminum ones, as it will not only clean them but also give them an incredible shine. You'll be able to clean your pans very easily and leave them sparkling. And look at that incredible personal result, won't you? This product will make your day much easier, especially if you love getting your pans clean and shiny. Do it at home and then come back and tell me what you think. I'm sure you'll love it. Please rate this tip from 0 to 10. As I said, for those who like their pans shining like new, just make this mixture which, as well as being simple, is super cheap, much better than those bought in the market. You'll never look at Coca-Cola any other way again. I hope you enjoyed today's tip, and I'll leave you to it. God bless.